Hi everyone, welcome back to our behind the scenes series. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to update the Power BI template when your Excel column headers change. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Balanced Scorecard Dashboard template. If you'd like to explore its full functionality, click the link above. All the resources are available for download in the description. Now, let's get started. Here's a copy of our original Excel file. First, we'll set up the changed column headers by adding new to pillar and year-to-date actual. Once that's done, we'll switch over to the Power BI template to take a closer look at these fields. The pillar field is used to establish relationships between tables, while the year-to-date actual field is referenced in the DAX formula for actuals. We need to update them carefully to avoid errors. To begin, click Transform Data to open the Power Query Editor. Locate the affected table. And on the right panel under Applied Steps, right-click the last step and select Insert Step After to add a new step. Enter this formula to rename the column names to the new ones. This formula pairs each existing column name with its new name inside the curly brackets. If you need to update more than 2 columns, simply add additional pairs following this format. Once done, click Close and Apply to apply the changes. Now, we will verify the updates. In the model view, Power BI should automatically update the field names to reflect the new column headers. These relationships may break when we update the source file later. Next, return to the report view to review the DAX formula. Select the actual measure and you'll see that the new column names are now applied. The next step is to return to Power Query to update the data source. Under Applied Steps, click on Change Type. Locate the existing column names, for example pillar, and manually rename to its new name. Do the same for year-to-date actual. At this point, Power BI may display errors. This happens because it's still referencing the old column headers in the original Excel file. To resolve this, click on Data Source setting at the top. Select the existing file and click Change Source. Then choose the new Excel file and click Open. To reload the data, click Refresh Preview at the ribbon. The table headers should automatically reflect the new column names now. Proceed to remove the extra step custom one that we added earlier, as we do not need it anymore. Lastly, click Close and apply once again to load the final changes. Back in the model view, check the data relationships. If any links are broken, simply drag and drop the fields to re-establish their connection. Also, double-check your DAX computations to ensure that all formulas are correctly referencing the updated column names. And that's it. The Power BI template is now updated with the revised column headers from the new Excel source file. If you're looking for more dashboard tips and templates, be sure to check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.